Something extraordinary is unfolding within Apple's design studios, and it is about to completely shatter everything you thought you knew about wearable technology. For the past few years, the smartwatch industry has felt safe, comfortable, and highly predictable. We have grown used to the standard routine of minor health sensor updates, slightly brighter screens, and incremental battery improvements. But what Apple is engineering for the Apple Watch Ultra 4 isn't just another evolutionary step. It is a radical, aggressive shift that aims to completely destroy the boundary between a standard lifestyle wearable and an elite, survival-grade biometric computer. If you think smartwatches have reached their absolute structural peak, you are about to be proven completely wrong. There is a specific reason why deep tech insiders are calling this upcoming device a massive turning point for Apple. A device that could make every other sports watch on the planet look like a primitive toy overnight. Think about how you interact with a watch today. It tracks your steps, monitors your sleep, and mirrors notifications from your phone. But at its core, it is still heavily dependent on your smartphone's proximity, restricted by battery life that fails during grueling expeditions, and bound to sensors that only scratch the surface of true physiological data. With the Ultra 4, Apple is completely ripping up the old rulebook. They are pushing the absolute limits of materials science and sensor technology to introduce capabilities that sound straight out of a science fiction movie. To truly understand the gravity of what is coming, you have to look past the rugged aerospace-grade exterior. You have to look at the hidden engineering war being fought inside the chassis. A war measured in microscopic hardware integration and ultimate environmental resilience. The internal systems driving this upcoming powerhouse are built to survive conditions that would cause standard electronics to fail instantly. This isn't just about a rugged casing or a tactical strap. This is about real-time, zero-latency situational awareness that monitors your body and your surroundings before you even realize you are in danger. Let us look at the single most important element you interact with: the display. Over the years, wearable screens have gotten progressively brighter, but Apple's engineering team has achieved a massive breakthrough in panel efficiency and readability. The display technology planned for the Ultra 4 isn't just about blinding peak brightness levels to fight direct desert sunlight. It is an intelligent, low-energy emissive matrix that redefines how a screen handles reflection and power consumption. Imagine a panel that dynamically alters its pixel state to remain perfectly legible through heavily polarized diving masks, blinding snowstorms, or the absolute pitch black of a deep cave system, all while drawing less power than an ordinary digital clock face. The visual clarity is engineered to eliminate any glare or refraction, making your critical data look less like a digital image and more like physical markings etched into the surface of the sapphire crystal. Every piece of telemetry, every navigation path, and every health metric updates with a fluid responsiveness that feels completely natural, ensuring you get life-saving information at a single, split-second glance. But extreme visual fidelity and processing power are completely useless if a survival device cannot handle the brutal thermal and physical shocks of the real world. When you pack highly advanced sensors and processors into a wearable casing, structural vulnerability becomes your absolute worst enemy. Traditional sports watches handle extreme cold by draining their batteries rapidly and extreme heat by throttling their processors, leaving you stranded with a dead screen when you need it most. Apple's solution for this generation is a masterclass in metallurgy and architecture. They are implementing a radically redesigned chassis that utilizes a highly advanced, ultra-dense crystal and titanium alloy, paired with an internal shock absorption framework